7 psychological tips for instant mental calm. 1. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. This simple act calms your mind, reduces stress, and brings you into the present moment. Just a few breaths can create instant relaxation. Number 2. Notice your surroundings. Use your 5 senses: what you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste to ground yourself. Paying attention to the present helps your mind stop racing and brings immediate calm. Number 3. Write down your thoughts. Putting worries on paper clears mental clutter. It organizes your mind, reduces anxiety, and helps you see which thoughts are important and which are not. Number 4. Practice mindfulness. Observe your thoughts without judgment. Let them come and go like clouds. Staying present, even for a few minutes, brings peace and mental clarity. Number 5. Use positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with encouraging words. Saying, "I am calm, I can handle this," reduces stress and makes your mind feel safe and supported. Number 6. Visualize a calm place. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene: a beach, forest, or cozy room. Focus on the sights, sounds, and feelings. This mental escape instantly relaxes your mind. Number 7. Practice gratitude. Think of 3 things you are thankful for. Gratitude shifts focus from stress to positivity, improves mood, and creates mental calm in moments of tension.